What is your name, mate? No, her name's Sam. Have you got to speak for an hour? I'm trying to talk to her so she doesn't laugh. How old's Sam? You couldn't tell me. So you don't know? About 26. You are 26. All right. Where you from, Sam? Go on. Where you from? You've got to hold your nose. Yeah, but you can still talk. But believe it or not, you talking with your nose held still less annoying than that laugh. What's funny is that sounds like you're ill. Like you got whooping cough or like you're going to... And we're all laughing at your laugh and you're like, literally, I need my inhaler. And people are like, have you heard about, that one with the funny laugh at the gig? Do you know she died? And people are like, good. Because she was annoying. Do you know what it sounds... Hold on. Do you know what it sounds like? Go on. Oh, you've ruined a joke. Do you know them things where you're like... Yeah. Whoop, whoop. It's all right, but that was a test, and now I know you're putting that laugh on, so stop it. Chris Jones is the last act of the evening, and then we can all get off. We can all... whoop, whoop. Yeah, you're not strong enough to... Jeff! What gym do you go, Jeff? You got a gym at work? Get us in. I'll spot you. Even with your camo on. Applauso! What's your surname, Victor? Lionel. Like Lionel. So you got two first names. So you're like the Brazilian Craig David. I love that. So your name is Victor Lionel, is it Lionel Victor? If you were a footballer, what name would you just have one name? Would you have Victor on the back of your shirt? Like Fred. Or you don't know. Do you play football? No. Is that why you're over here? They kicked you out. They're like, fuck off, Victor. Go to Liverpool where they don't care about football. And you're like, shit. Half of them don't. Right, cracking on. Chris Jones going to close the show. Jeffo, are you getting home? Do you want a lift? Yeah. I'm not joking. I'll give you a lift. Sweet. Yeah, you're not coming. Yeah. Me and Jeff. Yeah. You can go in the boot.